Hey, good afternoon, all of you beautiful souls. Today's video is about the upcoming subliminal class that's going to be on January 10th of this new upcoming year, 2022. If you are wanting to join, you need to apply via email. I know the last class I did it through Facebook. This one's going to be all through email. And if you are wanting to apply, you need to send me an email and it needs to include a video of you introducing yourself and answering 3 questions I'm going to put in the description of this video and in the comment section. And the first question is why do you want to take this class? The second question is what is your background with subliminals? And the third question is what are you focusing on right now in your life? Is that if that's your career, your health, your relationships, whatever it is, what is your main personal goal in life? These are the 3 questions you need to record and answer. Attach the file to the email that you send me. I'm going to put my official email in the description and in this comment section, so make sure you only send the video to this email in the description and in the comment section that I'm going to leave. And if you do not feel comfortable recording a video, which obviously the class is going to be on Zoom, we're going to be having the class on Zoom, so it's important that you become comfortable. It's just like any other class, you got to walk in there the first day and you introduce yourself, and as I said, it's very important though. I need to know that you're a real person. I need to know, get a vibe or a feeling off of you, right? We don't want any trolls, just squeezing into the class. I got to know you're a real person. And as I said, if I respect your privacy, if you really want to, you can upload a picture instead and then answer the 3 questions. I don't, like I said, I'm very respectful of people's privacy, but a video is more preferred. That way I know you are a real person, as I said. So feel free to apply, guys. I'm very excited to meet this year's students. The last class was very successful. All of the students already were reporting, success with the subliminals I taught them how to make, weeks after, some of them even days after. And I'm very grateful to still be in touch with a lot of the classmates. So I look forward to meeting this year's class. And of course, all of last year's students are more than welcome to come back. It's going to be, once again, January 10th, which is a Monday. The classes are going to be held 9 p.m. Eastern. And this is a time that allows, people around the world to all join and all participate. Once again, 9 p.m. Eastern. That might change to 10 p.m. Eastern. However, most likely it's going to be 9 p.m. Eastern starting on January 10th, and it's going to be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday classes. So you need to be able to commit. That's the most important thing, is 100% commitment. I look forward to meeting some of you next year. May you all have a blessed day and a blessed week.